After I learned how to make chicken like this, even the chef at the restaurant asked me for the recipe. Start by taking 2 chicken thighs and drumsticks. On a cutting board, make a few cuts in the pieces so that the spices penetrate. Season the chicken with salt, pepper and paprika to taste. Don't skimp on the seasoning, it's the lifeblood of the dish. Mix well with your hands so that all sides are well seasoned. Now put 80 grams of wheat flour on a plate. Coat the chicken thighs and drumsticks in the flour, breading them well. This will create a delicious crust when frying. Heat a frying pan with a tablespoon of butter. Add the chicken and fry until golden and crispy. The aroma will make your mouth water. Once the chicken is well browned, add 100 milliliters of water to the pan. This will help create a tasty sauce and ensure that the chicken cooks evenly. Leave to cook over a medium heat for 10 minutes. It's time to intensify the flavor. Add a tablespoon of butter and 5 cloves of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 40 milliliters of honey. Mix everything together and cook for another 5 minutes. The honey will add a sweet touch and the vinegar and soy sauce will give the perfect balance. Turn the chicken thighs and drumsticks over and drizzle with some of the sauce that has formed in the pan. This will ensure that each piece of chicken is well coated and full of flavor. Finish with some chopped chives on top. This not only adds a delicious freshness, but also a touch of color to the dish. And there you have it. Our chicken thighs and drumsticks are ready and perfect for any meal. Look at that golden crust and that sauce. Are you ready? If you liked this recipe and want more great tips, don't forget to like and follow our page. Bon appetit and see you next time.